Is your iPhone stuck during the iOS 26 beta update? Maybe it's frozen on preparing update, verifying update, or just won't move past the Apple logo. Don't worry, this is a common issue with beta updates. Here are a few quick ways to get your iPhone back to normal and finish the update properly. Solution 1. Force restart your iPhone. This should be your first step if your iPhone is stuck. Press and quickly release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and press and hold the power button until your phone closes. Restart your phone by releasing the power button and pressing it again until the Apple logo appears. This won't erase any data, it just forces the system to reboot. Solution 2. Check storage and charge. iOS updates need free storage to install. Go to Settings, find and tap General. Select iPhone Storage. Now see if you have enough storage available. Have at least 20 GB of storage free for the update to happen. Also make sure your phone has 50% or more charge. Updates require at least 50% phone charge. You can also plug your phone to a charger during the update as an extra precaution. Solution 3. Start over the update process. At this point, it could be that your update file may be corrupted, so it's wise to reinstall it. Open Settings, find and open General. Open iPhone Storage. Scroll down and find iOS 26 update as it should appear in the storage page for you. It's not here with me, but if you find it, tap it and then select Delete Update. Then restart your device and try updating again from scratch. Hopefully this time, your problem will get fixed. But if the regular method doesn't work, you can also use softwares like Reboot to manually update your iPhone. You'll need a PC for that as well. In any case, thanks a lot for watching.